So in this video I'm going to show you how I created the base I made for my sculpted Pikachu. I used some, I think they're like 1-inch big wood squares as a super simple base to get an idea of how large I want the base to be. I tape it up, and I add some clay and some clay, what is that stuff called? Liquid clay, to help the Sculpey stick to it. It's kind of like glue once it bakes, which is great. So I just kind of smush the clay on there. And then I run out of Sculpey, and this was my frustration because it took so long to get this soft and conditioned. My hands hurt so much after this. So I put Pikachu down to get an idea of scale and reference and kind of what I'm doing. I decide I don't want like pointy corners because this is supposed to be like nature-y a little. So I cut them off. So with Pikachu sitting there, I kind of carve out how I want it to look, just to get a general idea. I want him to be on a little nature path with some grass and some rocks on each side. I'm basing it off a picture I found on the internet that was really cute. So I texturize what is eventually going to be kind of grass, I guess. It's cartoony, and this took forever. Absolutely forever. I did speed it up though. Watching it 100 speed is really cool. I wish it was this fast. So I wanted to have like this cartoony, pebbly kind of look. I don't know how to describe it. I was just doing stuff. But I enjoyed it, and I like the outcome. This is the side I messed up, though. I added too much texture. I didn't like it. I fix it later, though. Then I cut out some rocks. You know, nothing crazy. And then I start on the other side. And when I do this side, I realize I like this much better, simpler. So then I go back to the first side and scrape it all off and start over. This took forever. But I think it was worth it. Then I start working on like the little crooked fence post, texturizing and baking them, giving them some cartoony crevices and swirls and all that. Oh, I baked them. That's right. I baked them, and then I stuck them into the wet base. Made it much, much easier to assemble them, because they come out. They're going to be a separate piece that I had to mold and cast. And I decided I needed one more, so that's me creating the little side wood piece of the fence thing. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. Adding a few more rocks. And then I'm adding some nondescript plants, and there it is, all baked. And here it is finished, because I didn't have any other video of it, so enjoy. I hope you like it.